Welcome to HealthyHub Doc, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a powerful drink packed with nutrients that can significantly boost your health. This drink is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that improve eyesight, nourish the skin, and reduce the risk of heart disease. To create this amazing health-boosting drink, the first ingredient you'll need is carrots. Carrots are known for their high content of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good eyesight and can prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, carrots are rich in antioxidants that protect your body from harmful free radicals and improve skin health, giving you a radiant glow. Carrots are also a great source of potassium, which supports heart health by helping to control blood pressure levels. The high fiber content in carrots also aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, as it keeps you feeling full longer. This is particularly important because maintaining a healthy weight is a key factor in preventing numerous health conditions, including heart disease and diabetes. Carrots also contain biotin, which plays a significant role in fat and protein metabolism. So not only are carrots great for your eyes and skin, but they also contribute to overall metabolic health. The second ingredient in our recipe is sweet bell peppers. Red bell peppers are best, but you can use any color you prefer. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are excellent for eye health. They also contain high levels of vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, aiding in skin repair and reducing signs of aging. The antioxidants in bell peppers protect your skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants, improving its overall texture and appearance. Furthermore, the vitamin C in bell peppers strengthens the immune system and promotes healthy blood vessels. Bell peppers are also a great source of vitamin E, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting skin cells from damage. It also helps to maintain the skin's moisture and elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The presence of B vitamins in bell peppers, such as B6 and folate, supports brain health and can improve mood and energy levels. Including bell peppers in your diet can provide a broad range of health benefits beyond just skin and eye health. Next up is radish. Radish is an often overlooked but incredibly nutritious vegetable. Radishes are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that slow down the progression of vision-related conditions such as macular degeneration. They also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen formation and counters oxidative stress, thereby slowing down the aging process. Radishes are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce redness and swelling, and their antibacterial and antifungal properties make them effective against acne and other skin conditions. Radishes also have a high water content, which helps keep your body hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health as it aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. The fiber in radishes also supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, radishes are low in calories, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss or maintenance plan. Their natural diuretic properties help cleanse the kidneys and liver, promoting detoxification and improving organ function. The fourth ingredient we'll be using is pineapple. Pineapples are a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and vitamin A, all of which support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems such as cataracts. The antioxidants in pineapple also help in slowing down the aging process by fighting skin-damaging free radicals. Regular consumption of pineapple can improve digestion due to its bromelain content, which also has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit overall health. Pineapples are also rich in manganese, a mineral that is crucial for bone health and metabolic functioning. Manganese helps in the formation of connective tissue, absorption of calcium, and regulation of blood sugar levels. This tropical fruit is also known for its ability to reduce inflammation and boost the immune system, thanks to its high vitamin C content. By incorporating pineapple into your diet, you not only support your eye and skin health, but also enhance your body's ability to fight off infections and maintain strong bones. Our final key ingredient is ginger. Ginger is renowned for its potent antioxidant properties, thanks to the compound gingerol. It helps in neutralizing free radicals, keeping your skin clear and free from dark spots and other forms of sun damage. Ginger promotes proper blood circulation, which can rejuvenate tired-looking eyes and brighten your skin by eliminating dead cells. This results in a smoother, more vibrant complexion. Ginger also has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for pain and inflammation. It can help alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis by reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Ginger is also effective in easing gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea, bloating, and indigestion. It aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, ensuring that your body efficiently processes the nutrients from your food. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to juice them. If you have a juicer, simply feed all the prepared ingredients into it to extract the juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender. Blend the ingredients with a little water and then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to get the juice. Once your juice is ready, pour it into your preferred storage containers. Glass jars are ideal, as they keep the juice fresh for longer. You can store this juice in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. It's best to drink a serving first thing in the morning to kickstart your day with a burst of nutrition. Remember, this drink is not just for those with specific health concerns. It's beneficial for everyone, whether you're young or old, male or female, pregnant or breastfeeding. Our bodies crave these nutrients, and incorporating this juice into your daily routine can help improve your eyesight, skin, and heart health. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more valuable content for you. This nutrient-packed super drink is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health. We hope you give this recipe a try and experience the benefits for yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to HealthyHub Doc for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.